angels, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are doing a PR haul. As you can see by the gorgeous boxes behind me, we are going to unbox all of the PR I received recently. We have some really exciting new products from some new brands and I can't wait to show you. So if you want to see everything I received in PR over the last couple weeks, just keep watching. Now, if you are new to my channel, I would absolutely love if you hit that big red subscribe button down below. It is completely free and I would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And you can also hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button and YouTube will notify you every time I upload. So if you watched my last PR haul, I saved up those boxes for a little too long and the video ended up being over 30 minutes long. So I'm not going to make that mistake again because it just takes way too long to film and edit. I get tired, I'm sure you get tired. So today we are doing less boxes, but I'm hoping to do PR hauls more frequently, and I want to actually spend time going through each box and each product instead of feeling like I'm rushed. So let me know in the comments if you prefer to have one really long video every month or two, or have multiple shorter videos. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. So the first brand I want to talk about who sent me PR is one that I absolutely love. They have sent me PR boxes before and I have tried almost all of their products, and that is the Inkey List. So right before the holidays, to thank some of their influencers and content creators, they asked us if we wanted a restock on some of our products. So they sent me a ton of products that are geared towards my skin concerns. They sent me a bunch of products and some of them I have tried before and some of them are new to me. So the first one is one I absolutely love. This is the Oat Cleansing Balm. This is an absolutely amazing cleansing balm and it is so affordable. It actually comes in a mini now as well. So if you want to just try it out, I think the mini is about $6. So you really have nothing to lose when trying this. You can find the mini and the full size at Sephora. We also have their 15% of vitamin C. I haven't tried this one before, but very excited to test it out. Also their polyglutamic acid. I hope I'm saying that right. But I actually saw someone use this as a primer under makeup and said how amazing this works as a primer. So this is a face serum and it says use it on your face and neck as last step before makeup. So I really can't wait to try this out as a primer step. They also sent over their niacinamide, which I have tried before. And last they sent their bakuchiol, which is a retinol alternative. I believe it's a natural alternative to retinol. So this is their bakuchiol. I have not tried this. So I'm excited to have a bunch of new Inkey List products to try. And honestly, I've loved just about every product I've tried from them. So thank you so much to the Inkey List. Now, a new brand to send me PR is OFRA Cosmetics. So they reached out and asked if they could send me a box of some of their products to try. I, of course, have definitely tried their products before. Their highlighters are some of my absolute favorites. But I, of course, said yes to them sending me some more items. And they sent me a ton to try. So I'm just going to show you a few of the items that they sent over. And of course, if there are certain items from this haul you want to see me test out first, or you are most interested in me reviewing, please let me know in the comments below. So some of the goodies OFRA sent over. First, this is their OFRA and Samantha March collab. This is their lip gloss trio. So you get 3 different glosses, and Samantha March actually did 2 rounds of a collab with OFRA, which is amazing. I absolutely love supporting any type of influencer collab that I can. I actually purchased Leora's full collab she did with OFRA. She is one of my absolute favorite YouTubers. So I love that OFRA is always collaborating with different content creators and influencers. So 3 different glosses to try out. You get a pinky one, more of a clear, and then more of a brown neutral. They sent over one of their highlighters, which I already said I absolutely love, but I do not have this shade yet. This is called Pink Bliss, and this is the highlighter that they came out with in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So this is a gorgeous pink highlighter. This is absolutely stunning. So that is Pink Bliss. OFRA Cosmetics also makes skincare products as well. So they sent over their Super C serums. This is a powerful brightening and refining serum. So very classy packaging here. This is their vitamin C. I'm so happy they sent me over a restock on their brow gel because it is one of my absolute favorite products from OFRA, and I think probably my current favorite brow gel. It is amazing. If you follow me on TikTok, you already saw me raving about it. I did a whole video on why it's my favorite brow gel. It just does such an amazing job at gluing your brow hairs into place. It does not leave any gunk or any white residue or make your brows look too shiny. This is their Don't Play brow gel in their Don't Play brow set. So this set comes with a brow gel and then also a spoolie to apply it with. And I absolutely love this brow gel. I've been using it every single day, so I'm almost out of it. So I'm very happy to have a backup. So the set comes with a spoolie with an angled brush on the end. And this is perfect for using a brow pomade on your brows and also spoolieing your brows into place. And then my absolute favorite, the brow gel. So this is what the brow gel looks like here, the Don't Play brow gel. I absolutely love it. If you haven't tried it, I highly, highly recommend this if you love that feathery brow look. And this is what the brow gel looks like inside, and you only need the tiniest bit. So this will actually last you a while, even though it looks small. You only need a tiny bit to do your brows. And the last product I'm gonna show you from OFRA is their Micro Glow Daily Micro Exfoliating Cleanser. This sounds amazing. And it is a gorgeous pink color. So that's what it looks like there. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite products are from OFRA. And thank you so much, OFRA, for sending over that amazing package. Next package was so generous, and it is from Biossance, a skincare company sold on Sephora. So they sent over their new Squalane and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. It says instant hydration with hyaluronic acid and paracress. I've never heard of paracress before, but the words plumping, the words hydration are definitely something I am interested in. I haven't tried a lot of their skincare, but I've heard really good things. And I believe this is brand new from them. And this is what the bottle looks like here. Now, along with that serum, they sent me something I was super surprised to see in the box, and that is one of the Instax Minis. How sweet was that to include this in the PR box? I actually used this at Christmas time to take little Polaroid photos. This is adorable. This is such a nice gift to include in a PR package. Very generous. So thank you so much, Biossance. I'm gonna have so much fun with this camera, and I cannot wait to try the new serum. The next package is from one of my favorite skincare brands. This is from Glow Recipe. I've tried a bunch of their products, and some of them I absolutely swear by, like their watermelon toner and their watermelon dewdrops. I use those every single morning. So they actually released a new product, and they were kind enough to send it my way. Their newest release is their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. Again, I love hyaluronic acid. I love anything that's gonna add hydration to my skin. And they also sent over their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. So this one is an existing product, but this is a brand new product. So now they have two in their Plum Plump line. Now let's go ahead and open this up. It actually says it's a refillable moisturizer, which is really cool. I don't believe I've seen the refills on Sephora yet, but this has launched on Sephora. So if you're looking to pick this up, I will leave it linked down below. As always, Glow Recipe has the cutest, colorful, fruit-themed packages, and you just open it like so. Refill pod. Okay, that's really cool. So you can actually buy these refill pods and just refill your jar. I love that. It's so much better for the environment. I'm just gonna show you what the pod looks like. So I didn't know it did that, but this is what the pod looks like here. So thank you so much, Glow Recipe. I am so excited to try out your new product. Next bag I have here is from Glamnetic. I'm loving this sparkly silver holographic bag. I was super excited to find this in my mailbox, and this is the first time they've sent me PR and the first time I have tried Glamnetic lashes, and I'm actually wearing them on my eyes today. I'm wearing the style Verified, but they sent me a couple other styles as well, and I can really see the hype behind Glamnetic. And I have tried magnetic lashes before, but never Glamnetic lashes, and they are so easy to use. Let me show you the other items Glamnetic sent. So they sent me 3 pairs of lashes in total. Verified, which I have on my eyes today. They also sent me the Lavish Lash, which are a very dramatic, glam, fluffy lash. And they also sent the Style Vacay. They have so many different styles to choose from. They have more styles on their website than they do on Sephora, but if you're looking to buy them from Sephora Canada, they have about 6 styles plus their magnetic liner on Sephora Canada, so I will definitely link those down below. I also had no idea that they sell press-on nails, but you guys know I love press-on nails. I wear them every single day, and I usually paint them myself, but Glamnetic has some really gorgeous designs. So they sent over the Style Wild Card, which are so cute with all these different pastel designs. And then also the Style Madame, which are these kind of almond shape French manicure nails. Last, they sent me over a few of these lash applicators. So these help you put your lashes on. Let's go ahead and open them up here. I love all the holographic packaging. These match my nails perfectly. So I did send over a couple of these pink lash applicators as well, which make it really easy to apply your lashes. And I also love these. If you're careful, you have to be very careful not to poke yourself in the eye, but also to squeeze your lashes together to really get them to line up with your real lashes. So thank you so much, Glamnetic. I am absolutely loving your lashes so far, and I can't wait to try the other styles. Also received a box from Trini London. They've sent me a few boxes now, and I've really been enjoying their products. So they sent over this gift set that they came out with for Christmas, but I'm pretty sure you could still buy this. If not, you can definitely buy the individual products inside. I will leave their site listed down below. And this really cute gift set opens like this, and you get 3 different products. So we have the T-Tones Eyeshadow Duo, the Miracle Blur Lip and Line Filler, and the T-Tones Lip and Cheek Duo. So I believe these T-Tones products are new. So you get 2 different products inside the little pot. And the pot even has this gorgeous packaging that I think is probably limited edition. The tops usually are just silver. So this is their T-Tones Lip and Cheek Duo in Lady J. Very pretty. So in here you get 2 different cream products. One is a shimmer and one is more of a matte shade. It also comes with the Miracle Blur Lip and Line Filler. This comes in their traditional silver packaging. So this product sounds really interesting. It's supposed to fill in the lines on your lips, so I will have to give that a try. And something else about their products is they actually stack together. So almost all of their products, at least these pot products, you can stack together and create your own little stack, which makes it very easy for putting in your purse or traveling with. And the last product in the gift set is another one of their T-Tones, and this is an eyeshadow duo. And this comes with the shades Wisdom and Fortune. Again, in this really cute, colorful packaging. And you get a shimmer tone and then more of a matte satin tone as well. And I already have some of these, so I'm just going to make a bigger and bigger stack. See, they all clip together like that. So thank you so much, Trini London. I've been loving your products. The next package here is from an amazing, affordable brand. This is from Makeup Revolution. If you live in Canada, you can find their products at Shoppers Drug Mart. So this package contains 2 new mascaras from them. Oh, there are 2 different mascaras here. The first one is 5D Lash Pow, and then we also have 5D Lift and Define. Now, since these are brand new, I don't believe these are at Shoppers Drug Mart yet, but you can also find their products on their own website. So this is our last package I'm going to open today, and definitely the biggest I have received lately. This is from Aveda, and they actually did a collaboration with Philip Lim, and they did these exclusive designs with him for some of their hair accessories and hair products. And I just want to show you how gorgeous this PR package is. So on top here, we have all of these accessories, and then below, oh, I took out the hand cream already. There was a hand cream here, but I've been using it. And then below they have a bunch of their products. I have been using the hand cream and absolutely loving it. It is so good, especially if you live in a very dry, cold climate like me. I'm using hand cream all day long. I can't stand having dry hands, so I'm loving their hand cream. They also sent over their intensive strengthening mask. Sounds amazing. Their leave-in conditioner and their intensive strengthening mask. These are both intensive strengthening masks, but this is the light version and this is the rich version. Very cool that they have two different styles. Now let me show you the limited edition accessories in these prints with Phillip Lim. So first we have the scrunchie trio, these gorgeous silk scrunchies. I wear scrunchies every single day. How gorgeous are these? These gorgeous silk scrunchies in 3 different prints. I wear silk scrunchies every day. They are a lot better for your hair. I don't know if these are real silk. No, they're not real silk. They're 100% recycled PET. But they feel very silky. I always use silk or satin scrunchies because they're a lot better for your hair. There is also an exclusive Aveda and Phillip Lim paddle brush. This looks awesome. They also sent over a hair towel wrap, again in this gorgeous kind of palm print. And the last item is a detangling comb. Now I'm thinking this would be really good to use in the shower when you're applying your conditioner, to really comb through the conditioner and make sure it gets all over your hair. I'm thinking this could be used in the shower. It feels like it's plastic, so I may use it for that. And again, this has the same type of print on it. So thank you so much, Aveda. That was a gorgeous, gorgeous package and my first time receiving anything from them. So that brings us to the end of this PR haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.